Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking vlog. So today I'm going to show you how to make my beef salpicao recipe with mushroom. So kung gusto nyong malaman, just keep on watching guys. So these are all the ingredients that we have to use. So we have beef tenderloin steak here. This is marinated already. Lots of onions, garlic, mushroom, sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, and then oil. By the way guys, kung ano lang yung available sa bahay ninyo na ingredients, okay na yun. No need to buy anything na mahal. Initin muna natin yung oil, then we have to saute the beef. So guys, pag ganito na yung itsura niya, pwede na natin siyang i-set aside kasi we have to saute the mushroom. So same pan, so we have to saute the garlic. And then onions. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan siya guys. So, ang bango. Sutay-sutay lang. After nyan, lagay na natin yung mushroom. And then mix. Haluin lang. Then, lagyan na natin ng sugar. Then, black pepper. You can use chicken as well kung ayaw nyo ng beef. So, after nyan, nasutay na natin yung mushroom. So, lagyan na natin yung beef. This is the beef. Then, lagay tayo ng konting soy sauce. 'Yan. 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 Usually guys, ginagamit ko yung Knorr seasoning, pero wala ako ng sa regular spices na lang. Masarap din yan. You must to try this guys. Sobrang sarap niya. Tapos mainit yung kanin nyo. Sobrang. Pwedeng pambaon sa work. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang bangon. Guys, this is my own recipe. Huwag na akong i-share. Kasi iba't iba tayo ng mga techniques. Kasi ako, kung ano lang yung available dito sa akin, yun yung ginagamit ko. Like what I said, no need to buy anything na mahal para makapagluto ng ganito. Pero pwede nyo rin namang maglagay ng mushroom. Sometimes nilalagay ko ay white radish. Masarap din siya. So this is my beef salpicao with mushrooms. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.